Hello everybody, James Glossop Travels here, and welcome to a brand new video. Yes, today's video is all about venturing onto a line which I have been on before, but this will be the second time. This will be the first time that I've ever been to a station on the Penistone Line. So what we're going to do is we're going to explore the station of Penistone, see what it's like. There is a great viaduct there as well, which I'm going to show you. I'm also going to show you the Denby Dale one as well, which I know I featured it on Twitter last week, or a couple of weeks ago. So I'll be showing you that as well, and then obviously we'll end the video once before I get the train back to Sheffield. So I hope you enjoy the video. As always, don't forget to like and also subscribe to the channel if you are new or you see my face for the very first time. So anyway, without further ado, let's go into Sheffield Station. Hopefully it's a 150 Type 2 Sprinter, which we all love. Hooray! My beloved is not out today, so I'm be riding on her. And then hopefully, yeah, let's go up to Penistone.
Shining bright like a shine, dreaming high like the stars. There's a truth without them. And every day we search a meaning. Every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, it's your time. Keep fighting, and even if you drift and fall, put down one that still stands tall. Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming.
The next stop is Penistone.
Believe yourself and keep on running. Don't look back, stay dreaming.
Here we are, everybody. We have arrived at our first station of the day, which is Penistone. Penistone has 2 platforms and is managed and operated by Northern Trains. You get 1 train per hour between Sheffield and Huddersfield and Sheffield as well. This is the first time that I've been to Penistone, and I have to say it looks great. So anyway, we're going to have a look around the station, see what we can find, and then I'll show you the 2 viaducts, which I've just seen an extra one as well, which we'll go and take a look at, and then we'll move on to the next station along the line. So I'll see you pretty soon. So by looking around the station, there is 2 waiting rooms, well, waiting shelters, which have a lot of artwork in, which we're going to explore. There is also a foot crossing, what you can walk across between platforms. There's loads of benches so you can sit down whilst you're waiting for your train. There are ticket machines. So yeah, I'm going to show you some of the features, and then we'll move on to the viaducts. So as well as all them features, there's an information board on both platforms, for information about the station as well. And the 3-letter station code for Penistone is PNS. Okay then, so I hope you enjoyed that little bit, and that was the station. Now, there is a viaduct just down the road, which I noticed, which is absolutely impressive. It's quite similar to the one at Denby Dale, which we'll be looking at later on in the vlog. But I know there's another viaduct down the road. Anyway, we're going to take a look, we're going to have a look and see what we can find. Welcome to the middle of nowhere. Yes, that's right, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Oh well, I'm still in Penistone, but I'm currently in a park. Now, behind me, and I've got to say behind me, well, in fact, instead of me, there is a cracking viaduct. And I mean a stunning one. This is how close you can come up to it. So if I turn the camera around, take a look at that. That is absolutely stunning, don't you think? That is absolutely stunning. First time I've come to Penistone as well, and I'm going to say that is a viaduct. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you another one, which I've seen along the way, which wasn't going to go to, but we are going to. So anyway, we're going to head back to the station, and then we're going to go on the Penistone Trail, and then we'll find the viaduct. Wow, that was very good. That was really good. So we've had a look at the station. We've also had a look at a great viaduct, and what a viaduct that was. I like that one. So anyway, what we're going to do is now we're going to move on to this final station of the vlog, which I have been to before. I've not done any filming there before. Well, I have, but it's on Twitter, so if you don't follow me on Twitter, go and follow me now. And so we'll move on to this next station soon, as train is due in about half an hour, which will take us to its final station, which is Denby Dale.
Denby Dale.
So we're now stood outside the station, and I've come across this brilliant viaduct. I mean, if I tilt the camera now, look, that is a great viaduct. So anyway, I'm going to walk along the main road, which is the A636, up as far as I can get a great picture of it, and then we'll head back to the station when I'm going to show you the station. We'll do a little bit of the history of the station, and then we'll show some trains, and then we will end the vlog. So I'll see you in just a few minutes. So we've now arrived at our final station of the day. Yes, this is Denby Dale station. This is managed by Northern Trains, and it has the one platform. There are loads of one platform stations across this line, but this one has a lot to it. So anyway, we're going to explore the station, find out what facilities are involved, and then I'll show you a little bit of the history. So at Denby Dale station, you've got a ticket machine. You've got a waiting shelter. You've also got benches what you can go and sit at whilst you're waiting for your train. Like I said, at Penistone, there's information boards. There's one on the platform, and there's one outside the station. There's a dot matrix board which is not working, so check times for that. And there's also a way out shelter for a way out sign for the bus interchange, which is just a bus stop outside the station. And the 3-letter station code for Denby Dale is DBD. So, as you can see from this morning, we've started at Sheffield, which is here. We travel up the line to Barnsley, which I am at, which I live at. Then we came along here, so we went to Dodworth, Sutton Common, which is in, and then we ended up at Penistone. Then we took a ride then to Denby Dale. So I forgot to mention as well, whilst at Penistone, there are some great posters on the stations on this line that tell you about the line as well. So we found one, just now you can see that, that's one there. There's also a few at Penistone Station. Yeah, this line by far is the best one there is, that links South and West Yorkshire. I have been on the Sheffield to Manchester one, that is also great. We'll explore that in a little, hopefully this year as well. So yeah, fingers crossed. We'll get a few more stations done. Okay, so we're going to move on to the station history of Denby Dale Station. And this station used to have 2 platforms, which I'm going to show you in a minute. It used to have 2 platforms, they took the other one out. You can actually still see where it should have been. But they did take it out, so it's now just left with the 1 platform. Well, that was an adventure. Wow, I fully enjoyed doing today's vlog, which we've been doing. So let's wrap up. So we went on a 150 Type 2, 152.76 from Sheffield Station to Penistone, which was his first stop. We had a look at the station. We also saw an old turntable and an old tank ramp as well, which was brilliant to see. There is some old platforms which are still there. You can see the track bed as well. Not photography that, so I'll definitely need to get that in as soon as. We also then we took another ride on a 150 Type 2 up to Denby Dale, which is the second time I've been here now. We've done the station. We had a look at the station, which is brilliant. And we also showed you some views as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, you know what to do. To click the like button. Also press subscribe if you're new. And to end the vlog, I'll get the train departing from Sheffield. That's going to do the vlog. I'll get a close-in shot of the train passing over the Denby Dale Viaduct as we leave the station and heading back towards Sheffield. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye for now.